Whenever interest rates are on a decline, it's always the best time to work towards paying off your bond early. I'm Sebolelo, and welcome to my channel where we discuss all things real estate for first-time home buyers and first-time home owners. Please like and subscribe if you find the content useful, because it helps the algorithms and other people can get access to this information. With interest rates being dropped 25 basis points, maybe you're one of those people who's looking forward to maybe reinstating your Netflix account or enjoying that small pleasure that you've been denying yourself. But before you get too excited, I want to challenge you to think just a little bit differently for a moment. Back when interest rates were at their peak, I recorded a video explaining how adding an extra 300 Rand a month and an extra 1,000 Rand on an annual basis on a bond of 750,000 Rand can save you 150,000 Rand over the term of the bond. Now, there were some people who commented things like, well, where am I supposed to find an extra 300 Rand in this economy? So I decided to record this video right now in the season to show practical ways that you can find places where you can find ways to add extra towards your bond. The average house price in South Africa is 1,426,000 Rand. Now, at a bond of prime over 20 years, your bond repayments are going to be 15,558 Rand. Now, the Reserve Bank has brought down the interest rate by 25 basis points, which means that your new premium is going to be 15,308 Rand, meaning that you are going to be saving 250 Rand. Now, I know it's a lot of numbers, but what we're focusing on is this amount that you're saving, which is 250 Rand every month. Imagine you take that saving and split it in two. You keep 125 Rand to spend as you wish. The other half goes back into your bond. You can save 7 months off your bond. Now, maybe you're thinking, big deal, what's 7 months out of 20 years? But here's the thing. Putting 125 Rand back into the bond every month can save you 80,000 Rand over the term of the loan. Let me put it this way. If I gave you 125 Rand at the end of the month, you probably wouldn't even notice. At some point in the month, you'd probably end up at Rocco Mama's or something, and that 125 Rand would end up gone. But if you proactively take that money and put it towards your bond, you could save yourself 80,000 Rand. I really want to encourage you to marinate on this hack, because you're not putting all of your money back into your bond. So you will still be able to enjoy some of the stuff you've been denying yourself. And remember also that if you do have other debt, so maybe you've got like a car repayment or a personal loan or a credit card, those monthly repayments are going to decrease as well. So you will get a little bit more leeway in your budget, if I can call it that. The reason I'm using half of the savings is to show you that it's possible. Anyone can do it. The money is there. You have been paying it. So there's nothing stopping you from going into boss mode and going all in and putting all of the savings back into your bond, the full 250 Rand, in which case you will end up saving 150,000 Rand on that bond. Can you imagine how quickly you could pay off your bond if you implemented this simple hack every time there was a decrease in interest rates? It's absolutely remarkable. Here's that video I was talking about where adding 300 Rand a month can save you 150,000 Rand. I'll catch you in the next video.